Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are extremely well. So in this video, we are going to talk about multiple hiring opportunities. But before proceeding further, here's an humble request from my side that if you haven't subscribed our channel till now, or if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe this channel and turn on the bell icon as well so that you don't miss any important update or opportunity from the channel itself. This will be helpful for you, and also it will motivate me as well to make more such content, make more such videos for you that is going to help you out. So let's talk about our first opportunity. Also, make sure to watch the complete video so that you can understand the requirements for the job, eligibility criteria, and all the required information related to the job opportunity. So without any further discussion, let's come to our first opportunity. So this is from AstraZeneca, as you can see right now. So they are hiring for the role of junior engineer. The location they are going to offer is Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India, right? So let's proceed further. So job title is junior engineer. Leverage technology to impact patients and ultimately save lives. Do you have expertise and passion for information technology? Would you like to apply your expertise to impact the IT strategy? So here's a kind of description given regarding the company, that it is a global science-led, patient-focused biopharmaceutical company that focuses on the discovery, development, and commercialization of prescription medicine for some of the world's most serious diseases. And further information is given. Obviously you can go through it, and definitely it's important before applying for any company you should be having a kind of idea regarding the company. About our IT team, so they have mentioned it's a dynamic and result oriented environment to work in, but that's why we like it. There are countless opportunities to learn and grow, whether that's exploring new technology in hackathons or redefining the roles and work of colleagues. About the role, they have specified the key area of focus for this role is to design and build software solutions using agile deliver methodologies. The candidate will be accountable for the following activities: the use technical knowledge and expertise to design and develop software solutions, maintain awareness and knowledge of software industry trends and specialized business needs, and proactively identify and drive identification of opportunity, help to create an environment that promotes collaboration within and across teams, exhibit agile values and behaviors at all times. Essential skills they have asked for is BE, students who have scored, okay, BE in computer science, IT, EC, triple E, and students who have scored 70% with no outstanding arrears can apply. Good communication skill. Now, why join us? So for this also they have provided some points. What's next is there that is waiting for you, and where can I find out more? So more information has been provided. So if you are meeting the eligibility criteria, so basically this opportunity is for 2020 and 2021 batch, right? Because they are asking for the degree. So this opportunity is for them. So if you are eligible, then make sure to apply. Now let's talk about our next opportunity. Our next opportunity is from Bitwise, as you can see right now. So Bitwise is hiring for the role of ETL tester. The job type is full-time. Work location they have mentioned is Pune. Relocation will be required after pandemic situation normalizes. So as the situation will be normalized, you have to relocate to Pune. The CTC that they're going to offer is 4 LPS. They have specified eligibility criteria is professional graduate in BTech, BE. All circuit branches are eligible: electrical and electronics engineering, electronics and communication engineering, instrumentation engineering, computer science and engineering, information technology and telecommunication. 2020 and 2021 pass outs are eligible for this particular opportunity. Excellent communication skills you need. A minimum academic score of 60% in 10th and 12th is needed. A mini score of 60% in graduation is needed. Essential skills that they have asked for is good communication skills, verbal as well as non-verbal, strong logical skills with ability to analyze, interpret, and draw inferences. Selection process is there. First of all, there will be an online assessment followed by technical interview, then HR interview. Important guidelines that they have provided is shortlisted candidate must be available for a further online interview process. Candidates should be available for immediate joining. So here's a simple form given where you have to do the registration if you are interested in that opportunity, and if you are meeting the eligibility criteria, then for sure you should apply for it, right? So also this is an important note that I would like to give, that before submitting the form, make sure to check your information so that there is no mistake that is done from your side. So make sure to recheck the form before submission. Here's our next opportunity that is from Tech Mahindra. So Tech Mahindra is hiring for the role of technical support associate. As you can see right now, so CTC that they're gonna offer is 3 LPA to 5 LPA as they have specified. The location will be Hyderabad as well as Secunderabad as they have mentioned. So job description, as you can see, Tech Mahindra is hiring candidates for one of the leading international communication provider with excellent English communication skills and expertise. Let's proceed further about this. Job description, as you can see, handling inbound calls of US based customer to resolve their queries related to bills and other miscellaneous queries. Well, this opportunity is like, it's not a technical role. So if you are a perfect fit for this kind of opportunity, then you should apply. Otherwise, if you're looking for a technical role, then it is not a technical role. It is mentioned that it is a support role, right? So here you can see freshers can apply, only graduates. So only graduate can apply. If you have graduated, like if you're from 20 batch or 21 batch, you can apply for it. 1 year experience is needed in international voice process. Graduates only. So if you have 1 year experience, then that will also work for them. If you are just a fresher, then that is also work from them. If you are holding undergraduate minimum 2 years of experience, then also you can apply. Okay, the shift will be 24/7 with 2 rotational area week of work from office. Immediate joiners are going to be preferred and kindly send your resume. So you have to send your resume at this particular mail as they have provided, right? So this is an opportunity for those who are good at this part that they have asked for. And as if I clearly specified that it is not a technical role. If you develop a role or so you are asking for, it's a completely support role. So these were 3 opportunities for you. I hope that you have found this video useful, and if it is so, then make sure to subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed till now. And thank you so much for watching this video. And one more thing is that just share the video among your friends as well who are eligible for these opportunities, so that they can know about it, they can apply for them, and maybe they'll be selected as well. So that is the only thing that you have to do and we are asking you to do. So bye everyone, and that's it.